Zaina Daulos. I'm a Lynwood High student, and the reason why I was interested in the aviation class was because I wanted to learn more about planes and rockets and all that stuff and how it works. And it inspired me to maybe do aerospace engineering in the future.
My name is Jesus Herrera. I'm a sophomore at Fireball High School. The reason I took this automotive class is because I've always wanted to be a mechanic. And I find this class very interesting because I can get hands-on experience, and I'm looking to go to Cerritos College at the same time.
I'm so proud to talk to you today about the amazing partnership between the Bellflower Unified School District and the Lynwood Unified School District award-winning CalAPS program. This program provides access and opportunity to college-level courses such as automotive and industry, aviation, the room I'm sitting in at this moment, culinary arts, entrepreneurship, and esports, and a host of other classes that provide career exploration and hands-on learning, experiences that are critical to their future endeavors. We are so proud of this partnership, the award-winning. Our students have competed and have placed nationally as first place winners. We also want to increase our enrollment, and we want even more of our students to have this opportunity. Registration is opening soon. I encourage you to see your counselors so that you are able to participate in this amazing opportunity.